Hey, this is Cool Trains of Montreal, and I got a westbound train here at Cedar Park Station. Sunday afternoon. Yeah. About 3:45 p.m. on the 18th of December 2022, right after some snowfall, heavy snowfall here in Montreal area. So now we got some snow that's going to probably be here for the winter, for the white Christmas anyway. And I'm waiting for my train to head back towards Dorval. And this is at Cedar Park. I got CN tracks behind me, and this is of course on CP. Like -1 degree, no wind to speak of. Third train of the day. And I went out about 1:30 p.m. and I'll be back around 5 o'clock at my house. So very good day. It looks like it's gonna be a lot of tanker cars. I love those diamond shapes. I like that diamond symbol. Net. Splash of color on an otherwise black car. And look at all that snow. And I've got my eye on the CN tracks too, because there might be something coming. You never know. My train's due at 3:57, so I'm pretty sure that my train won't be coming until the end of this one. A lot of snow on these cars. Saw a CN train go by not too long ago, and very little snow on it. Always amazes me how the snow piles up on those cars and doesn't just fall off. The surface of those tank cars must be really cold. And it is steel. Yeah, this is all, if not mostly, tankers. Really cool. Is that the end? Yep. There it is at Cedar Park Station, heading westbound. No light. No red flashing light. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. See this train, it's just going to disappear into the snow basically.